Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll be taking a look at how to use Warriorplus. So going into the Warriorplus website, this is what we can see right here. So as you can see, it talks about sales automation. There are thousands of affiliates. There's, top-notch products from vendors that you can use, and there's a powerful tracking system. So without further ado, let's go ahead and create an account. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over here on the top right and I'm going to click on free sign up. Now, if you already have an account, you can just go ahead and log back in. But let's go ahead and create a new account. Once that you have inputted your details, just go on ahead and click on the create account right here. If there are any issues, of course, you can just go ahead and adjust this. So it says here that it doesn't want any namespaces. So let's just go ahead and remove that. And then let's click on create account once again. And then once that you have created an account, you will get this video right here just to say that, you need to verify your email. So go right into your email and then click on the verification. So here is the verification email. So just go right ahead and click on it. And then, click on this link. It says to complete the registration. Now, as you can see here, it says that our account is now activated. So let's just go right ahead and log in. Now, once that you have verified your email, you will then be put into this page where it asks you the reason as to why you have created an account. So as you can see here, you can either sell your own products as a vendor, earn money as an affiliate, or buy products and services to online business and marketing. So we're going to go ahead and choose any of these. So I'm going to click on earn money as an affiliate right here. And then it will just give us into a new website. So it's pretty much just an info right here that tells us the structures as to how to go through affiliate marketing through Warriorplus. But what I'm going to be doing is we're going to go back into the Warriorplus account and then go back into the main page right here. So I've just refreshed this and this is what we will see. So as you can see, we are already logged in right now. So we have our account all set up right here. We have loads of notifications. There's over 2,000 right here. And this is what we can see in terms of the Warriorplus dashboard. So as you can see here, we have some top products for affiliation right here. And then there are individual parts that you can go through, which is, the marketplace, product alerts, vendors, affiliates, deals of the day, help, and support. And these can be accessed right through here as well. So the marketplace allows you to take a look at the products that you would like to buy. The vendor is if you are a vendor and you want affiliates to go ahead and use your product or market your product, you can go ahead and do that from here. Or, as an affiliate, you can take a look at some of the products that you can market for. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and take a look at it from an affiliate perspective. So let's go through the dashboard itself. And from the dashboard itself, you start to see some analytics already. So you can see the amount that you have earned through commission today, the amount that you have earned yesterday, from the last 7 days, and the last 30 days. So of course, the more that you earn through your commission, through your affiliates, then this gets updated as well. Now let's go back into this headings right here, and then let's click on offers. Now with the offers, this allows you to go ahead and search through some of these products that you can start creating an affiliate with. So just go ahead and read through which ones is for you. So do keep in mind as to, all of this metadata that we have. So what is the release date? How much sales has been converted from here? What is the conversion rate? What is the visitor value, the average sale, and the refund rate as well. We also have the pulse score right here, which basically just tells you about the performance of the product from the past few months in this Warriorplus application. So just go right ahead and explore through each of the individual products that is appealing to you and that you can go ahead and create an affiliate on. So let's say, for example, that we want to take a look at this viral faces AI. So unlimited AI face video creator. If you want to take a look at this, so this has over 2,000 plus sales with a conversion rate of 17%. And the average sale of it is about $32.88, which is pretty good. So let's just go right on ahead and click on this. And now, as you can see here, this allows you to open up in terms of the vendor's product itself. So you can see this is our vendor right here, and this is the product that they are offering. Within this, it allows you to see what kind of content you are creating. So it's for video and it is a software. And then what's really nice is it helps you with categories as well. So with the keywords, it really helps as well. So say, for example, that you really know what kind of keywords to look for when you are creating your marketing strategies and adding in your affiliate links. Now just go right on ahead and read through all of this. And to start marketing this and having your own affiliate, what you need to do is you need to request for an approval right here. So essentially, you are communicating with the vendor itself that there is a product that you would like to market and start sharing and start marketing through your own marketing strategies. So if you are really interested in this, and you can go ahead and see that this is for you, this is something that you could really market based on your market audience, then just go right on ahead and click on the request approval. Do keep in mind that you can see what the commission range is from here. So the cost of this product at the moment is around $27.28 all the way up to $497. So depending on the kind of package that they get, this is, as you can see, the kind of commission that you will get from this as well. What's really nice as well is that when you take a look at each of the vendors, they do have their own trophies and achievements right here. So you can see that this vendor is a top 5% vendor. So you can see that the product that they are selling is of high market value. So just go right on ahead and explore through this. Well, once that you are really happy with marketing this and creating your own affiliate link, then just go right on ahead and click on request approval right here. So once that you request an approval right here, you can see you're requesting to promote an offer to the product itself by having your own affiliate link. So you can go right on ahead and add in an additional request note on this if you want. And you can also allow the vendor to contact you via email. Once that you're happy with that, just go right on ahead and click request offer right here. And there you go. That's pretty much what you would do to be able to start creating your own affiliate links, is that you need to request all of these through all of the vendors. So go right on ahead and explore through all of the different offers that you have. And once that your offer has been accepted, then the vendor will allow you to have your own affiliate link so you can start earning your commission. Now going through the Warriorplus as a vendor. So if we go right on ahead and click on the vendor right here, let's click on dashboard. And as you can see, it's almost the same as the affiliate dashboard. The only difference is that if you click on products right here, these are the products you currently own. So if you have a product that you would like to start selling and creating affiliates out of that, you can go right on ahead and do so. So all you need to do is go right on here and then click on new product, and then you can add in all of the information that you have. So if you have, say, a digital product or even a physical product, go right on ahead and create it right here. So you have your product name, the images, categories, keywords, almost the same as when you were taking a look at the offers earlier on. It's all right here. So just go right on ahead and add through all of this. And then if you go all the way down, you can see here that there is the affiliate side as well. So if you want your product to have an affiliate, then you can go right on ahead and add that. So you can add in what is the commission rate right here, and then what is the Warriorplus commission. And then if we go all the way back up and then go into vendors, let's click on the affiliates right here. So if you recall earlier on, when we were taking a look at a product, we requested an offer from one of the vendors. So this is where you would go. If you are the vendor itself, you can take a look at some of the pending requests and go right on ahead and either approve or reject the current affiliate request. So it's all controlled right here. And there you go. So take a look at all of the different sellers right here. So within the marketplace, it allows you to see what the top sellers are. So if you are either a vendor or an affiliate, you can pretty much see how much value or how much commission that you're able to get, or also how much you're able to get the product and then create an affiliate on it. And there you go. All you need to do now is to wait for that link or that approval of the vendor, and then they will send you an affiliate link so you can now start earning your commission. Well, I hope that you have found this tutorial useful. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time.